Hello YouTube, welcome to Coding with Dom. I'm Dom, and this is me coding. Not quite, I'm not coding, but that's what I would say at the beginning of every video, so it felt wrong if I didn't do it now. I might stop saying that, we'll find out. It's been a long time, I don't know exactly how much, I did not check. I think it's been about 5 years since I uploaded a video. I didn't check because I've been procrastinating on the idea of creating a new video for a very long time. Today I felt inspired. I've been percolating on the idea of what I want to say in this video for about a week or so, and it feels right. So here I am. I just want to talk to you and discuss the fact that I have been in doubt on whether to start creating videos again. I kind of want to just put this out there and see what you, the people, have to say about it. I have been, contemplating creating videos again, basically on and off since I stopped. At the time I stopped because my life got way more intense than I had planned it to. I had a lot of changes, and I also felt a little bit like I had done what I wanted to do at the time. I kind of felt like I was running out of ideas. At the time I was really focusing on this framework called Nightwatch. I think most of you probably know it if you're subscribed to this channel. But I do want to make videos again, but I also feel like I want to make something different than what I was doing before. And it's not easy for me to just decide, yes, I'm going to make videos. And the reason is because I feel like there's plenty of people putting stuff out there. And I don't want to be another person just talking to the void. Nor do I want to be another person just contributing to the same, kind of content, narrative stuff that is being pushed. I feel like if I want to do something, I want to do something a little bit different. And I feel like I found what it is that I feel like I've been longing for and what it is that maybe I want to put out there. And it kind of boils down to looking at the side of being a developer, or maybe more in general, an employee, that goes beyond the craft. A lot of what we see on YouTube when it comes to developer content is very much focused on the technologies, is focused on how to get better as a developer, how to be more productive, blah 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 blah. But then I feel like this kind of causes us to get lost in our little bubble, and to hyper focus on this aspect of the job, when I think I don't mean to brag, but I think I'm quite a successful web developer. I've been doing this for 15 years, and I've always gotten, kind of consistently good feedback. And I think a lot of that has to do with everything else. I think what sets me apart is the fact that I care about my colleagues, and I try to connect with them. I think it's the fact that I care about what I'm doing and why I'm doing it. I take a step back and I look at the bigger picture. To the point that this caused me a lot of stress at a certain point in my life, because I realized I've been working for companies that I didn't really believe in. Which I think also leads me to the ultimate point of what I'm trying to say, which, by the way, I'm fully aware that this video isn't very linear, but hey, it's a little bit of a taste for the kind of content you could expect moving forward. I want to create content and videos that I think speaks to my values. I am disappointed, to say the least, by the way that media in general has evolved. I'm not a fan of social media. I don't have social media. I don't really have a smartphone. I really feel I'm very sensitive. Yeah, and the way that online discourse has moved towards division, us versus them mentality, judgment, bullying, criticizing, it doesn't sit well with me. And I feel like I've seen a lot of even like developer YouTubers go in that direction. A lot of these videos reacting to articles, and then it just becomes another opportunity to kind of criticize someone else or judge something or complain about something. And I don't like that. So I guess what I want to try and cultivate on this channel is something different. something more positive, something more wholesome, something maybe a little bit silly. Also, I kind of want this to be a place where I get to unleash my inner child a little bit and let him play. But yeah, the inspiration for me to create videos originally was a YouTube channel called The Coding Train. I'm sure many of you know him. If you don't, go check him out because he's very fun. And he embodies this kind of spirit that I am referring to. I don't know if he does it consciously, but he's just a very positive person. And he brought a lot of positivity. And his goal was just bringing a lot of people into this space with a teacher's mindset, and I think that's what I also want to do in a similar vein, but more on the side of, you know, the Daniel Hoffman, who's the person behind The Coding Train, is a professor and has more of an academic background. I've worked a lot in corporate settings, but I've worked in commercial settings also that weren't necessarily corporate. I've worked in NGOs. I want to bring my experience working in these places to you. But I think I also want to try and build some kind of community. I know that I can't be the only one that feels this way. I know that I can't be the only one that's tired of the way people are talking to each other online and tired of the kind of content that is being given to us. So if you are too, yeah, help me out. Because I'm not sure exactly what I want to do. I have ideas, but for now, I just want to get this out there because I kind of, the main thing I'm trying to do here is just unlock my creativity again, go over this hump of like, am I going to create videos? Am I actually going to do this? What am I going to do? So yeah, by putting this online, I hope that then I will feel compelled to do more. But I also want to kind of open the floor to you. I know I have some subscribers. I don't know how many of you will see this, remember who I am, unsubscribe. I don't know how this is going to go. But if any of this resonates with you, if there's anything that you feel like engaging with, please reach out. Let me know with a comment or with a email if that feels more comfortable than a public forum. And my email is somewhere on the channel, I think. It's codingwithdom@gmail.com. It's not that difficult. Yeah, I hope to hear from you. I hope this resonates. And if it doesn't, that's also okay. I'd like to hear that too. If you feel like, actually, I don't need another dude just talking at me about code. We have plenty of those. That's also fair. I kind of get it. Yeah. I'm going to stop rambling. Thank you for sitting with me. I hope you have a lovely day, and I'm wishing you a lot of peace.